Hello and welcome to Pete, the ultimate documentation tool for SnapLogic projects. Are you tired of manually creating and updating technical documentation for your SnapLogic pipelines? Do you find documentation maintenance difficult and time-consuming? Well, you can say goodbye to the tedious process of manual documentation and hello to efficient and accurate documentation with our virtual assistant, Pete. Our tool simplifies the process of generating and publishing documentation with just a single click. We will guide you through the process of documenting SnapLogic projects using Pete. The first step is logging into the application. Choose between Basic and Microsoft Authentication to log in. Upon logging, select your desired export system. It can be SharePoint, PDF, or Confluence. In this demo, we will use Confluence. The main screen shows a simple three-step process. The first step includes choosing your SnapLogic project space and one or multiple projects that will be documented. You can also filter out some pipelines and include configuration files. Next, specify the main page where documentation will be created. You can choose the default option, but you can also select from pre-existing pages or create a new main page. The final step is a review step to confirm the configuration. Once you click Create, the process will give you a tracking ID to track documentation status at the dashboard or create new documentation. Pete has additional options for setting up your export system, contacting the support team, reviewing your profile settings, and managing users. To make things even smoother, you can leverage Pete using SnapLogic predefined snaps, or just plug in Pete into your CI/CD process. Once the documentation process has been completed, you will receive an email notification containing a link to your documentation. The documentation has a consistent structure, ensuring standardization and easy navigation. Pete provides dependency diagrams available in PNG format, but you can also interact with them by importing them into draw.io. Pages like accounts, tasks, and pipelines will provide details about the process and save you a lot of time with features like downloadable mapping and searchable content. In addition to the standard pages, there are also summary pages that provide an overview of the entire project, like all accounts and snaps and tasks used, and all read and write operations utilized in the project. Contact us at sales@iwconnect.com to try Pete today and see the difference it can make for your team.